Skill education, vocational training, and lifelong learning are center pillars of employability, employment of workers, and sustainable enterprise development within the decent work agenda, and thus contribute to achieving the Millennium Development Goals to reduce poverty. Skills development is key in stimulating a sustainable development process and can make a contribution to facilitating the transition from the informal to the formal economy. The future prosperity of countries depends ultimately on the number of persons in employment and how productive they are at work. Skills development is also essential to address the opportunities and challenges to meet new demands of changing economies and new technologies in the context of globalization. The principles and values of decent work provide guidance for the design and delivery of skills development are an effective way of efficiently managing socially just transitions. It is a wonderful tool of monitoring system. Basic education ensures each individual the development of their potential, laying the foundation for employability. It enhances people's capacities and creativity, opportunities, and satisfaction at work. To empower people in developing their full capacities and seize employment and social opportunities. It also raises the productivity of workers and of enterprises. It contributes to boost future innovations with more of development. We all can encourage domestic and foreign investment, thus job growth lowering unemployment and underemployment. India is in need of more of entrepreneurs. Initial training provides core work skills and the underpinning knowledge, industry-based and professional-based competencies that facilitate the transition into the world of work. It leads to higher wages and also, when broadly accessible, it expands the labor market opportunities and reduces inequalities between different group of people. That is the magic of skills development. Lifelong learning ensures that individual skills and competencies are maintained and improved as work, technology, and skill requirements change. Education reporting, in complement to the specialized report on vocational education and training, the national report provides a comprehensive overview of all phases of education, ranging from early learning to continuing education. The report also indicates the transitions and interfaces between different fields of education. By compiling relevant empirical data from different sources, the report provides an indicator-based and thus updatable analysis of the entire education system. Different countries focus on different elements as they see relative strength and weakness in their own skill development systems and as they learn more about innovations in other countries. All these monitoring systems aim to provide statistical data to demonstrate developments within education systems and to supply sufficient information for an evidence-based vocational education and training policy. So, these are assessments as learning and for learning. Skills have multiple meanings and many elements and might be categorized in many ways, and definitely it should possess the suitable monitoring tools. Apart from the monitoring system, we also need a reliable assessment of education output. Basic literacy, numeracy, can be improved when we specifically assign them in ICT skills enrichment programs. We can only make our vocational education system fit for the future if we know just how efficient it actually is. We have launched various activities in recent years with this in mind. These measures include diverse initiatives in the field of skills assessments: core, key, generic, soft, employability skills. This may include communication, in which public speaking can be a monitoring tool. Application of numbers, team working, problem solving, learning to learn, etc. Higher order skills, for example, logic, reasoning, analysis, synthesis, statistics, etc., can be a monitoring tool for assessing the learners. In order to ensure an effective and efficient evaluation of performance in various fields of vocational training, we must improve the scientific basis to enable a reliable assessment of vocational training in a national as well as international comparison. Attitudinal and behavioral skills are enhanced, such as initiative, confidence, willingness, perseverance, determination, etc. Life skills, social, health, and interpersonal skills. The main aim is to develop and test technology-oriented skills assessment procedures in various vocational fields. In addition, other assessment procedures ought to be tested as to their reliability in measuring vocational skills. The procedure is to be developed to include different fields of application. Build policy coherence in linking education and skills development to today's labor markets and to the technology, investment, trade, and macroeconomic policies that generate future employment growth. The conclusions comprise a set of guidelines that can help sustain the competitiveness of enterprises and the employability of workers. In this framework, skills development can help build a virtuous circle.